I'm a dent on, but the window to my sins. I do it for real, it's nothing to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. No matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the J Speed Racing YouTube channel. Today we got a special one in store. I am super pumped. BMW Z3, let's go. We're gonna pick this thing up. By the time we get back, it's gonna be dark, but we're gonna give it a good walk around and tell you the plans. You don't want to miss this. Also, don't forget, go ahead and subscribe, hit that thumbs up if you have not already. Let's roll out. Come on, Andy. There you go. All right, load her up.
See this whenever you're editing it.
Is it nice?
Look at this. Oh yeah, it's got the black eyes too. Man, let's kick this light on. Bam! But the seats are actually not bad. And the handbrake does work, confirmed.
Really nice.
You know what time it is.
You gotta get the other side. Oh.
Hey, baby! All right, Andy, you get in the cold start.
Okay. Oh my man! Oh! Oh man! Oh frick!
Dude,
that was decent!
That's it? Nice. This thing is so slow.
Even with the flat tire though.
Oh, at the flat?
Yeah!
Yeah.
First impressions.
Excellent. 10 out of 10.
That was nice.
This is a go-kart. This might be a keeper, Andy.
You look massive in this thing. Wow!
Dude, this thing's awesome.
Automatic, baby.
The visibility is unreal in this thing.
360, really.
I was about to do a J-turn.
I saw
was this
that.
close.
I saw that right off the trailer.
Woo! Tyler, I have something for you, buddy.
Uh-oh.
This one's for you. Free of charge.
I appreciate the thought.
We gotta clean it up and see what all is damaged. Overall, 850. You can't complain.
Besides that, I'm looking at just the exterior. This side's pretty clean.
Granted, it's dirty. We don't know.
Clean.
Okay.
Clean.
It's not.
Cleaner than I thought it'd be.
Oh. What?
I don't think you gotta reach through, brother.
The front end is huge.
There's nothing
Maybe that's
behind.
why. We didn't open the hood when to buy it,
Right.
but also we drove an hour and a half. We're buying it anyways.
I don't think
Jordan, I think you screwed us, Andy. Redo it. We gotta know what we gotta know what we're doing.
Andy, go back.
Andy, go back.
There we go.
That was my fault. Hey!
Woo! That battery looks kind of fresh.
Whoa.
Yo, 220.
Oh, yeah.
That's a
That battery's-
year old.
Almost a year.
Yep, that's a start.
Yeah, that's true. And this one has potentially 223,000 on her.
Yeah.
It's got a clutch fan.
All four cylinders
Sure.
was the
Valve
same.
cover on the front's not leaking. Is that the way?
Incorrect. Leaking.
Oh, it is? I only saw this part.
Look on the side.
Ooh.
Well, so far so good.
That's a motor.
Are we gonna look under it, or is that just not necessary?
Do we like the exhaust noise or no?
I kind of like it.
Yeah, it gives it
It-
character.
I say we leave it until it gives us an issue. I say we air it up and test drive it.
There's just no gas cap.
Yeah, there's no gas cap. He said that, which I'll just grab one off the other car.
gas. I think it's splash.
Hopefully.
So all we're missing to modify this bad boy is air. Not even modify.
Just get it running. We'll clean her up.
Alrighty.
All right.
Little misfiery, but
No engine code, no problem. The visibility. Quite high. Seat heater on, time on, whatever that means. Okay, good. Woo! Let's cruise. Got air in the tires and ready to go.
it's nice.
Quarter throttle. Quarter.
No way.
See this handling action? Wow! Wow, dude!
There's Jordan and Tyler.
Hey boys! You like this ride?
your ride.
Are we going inside
Are they
or what?
open? They pretty much the same
We
thing.
spotted it. Top left. Top left.
Alright, Andy.
You know what the nice part of this? We don't have to put the clutch in whenever we start it up.
Oh man. Dude, it's so much fun.
This is
Take the
not.
tailgate corner.
Oh, I'm gonna toge this thing. But
Oh man. Oh, he's setting up the weight train. Oh. It's cranking. Woo! No way! Oh my gosh, we're gonna get
That's
so
nice.
much trouble. Oh no.
I knew.
It's so loud, bro. It's so loud. That is a lot louder from outside. Man. We're gonna get in trouble with this thing. Alright.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that be poking up. Them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. I can keep up, got a little train. The face to the name. Pull up and I and I'm swerving. If I try to holler, she gon' curve. Came from under buzz like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like I'm turban. Yeah, these all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk a lot of, but we really with the lame. Always gonna be reaching for they hit, smoking like a clip. They can never catch me slipping. Every time your girl around, she be watch the way I'm dripping.
It's always a party. Not as good as the Camry, but it was decent. The hole in the exhaust doesn't help.
The fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best, though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best. Yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings.
Well, we cleaned up the Z3. Overall, it's actually pretty decent, minus the wheels and where it got kind of messed up. We need to do a quick little walk around, but before we do that, Andy is a detailer by trade, and so we cannot help but try to polish this thing out. Even though it's a beater, we want to make it look as best as we can and then take it from that level straight down.
average.
It's not bad.
It's actually not bad for 223,000 miles.
Yeah, this thing has a lot of miles on it, but I
I think it's been in a garage for sure.
I think it was well
For a
maintained at one point, and then it just. So this beater car has quickly turned into a little more of a detail-oriented project. Jordan and Tyler right now taking off the rear damaged quarter panel. This guy actually hit a deer. We're gonna do a walk around here in a second, don't you worry. We're gonna take off the rear quarter panel and see if we can straighten it up a little bit more to kind of get it looking a little bit better. Nice thing about these Z3s is that these quarter panels are actually removable, so they're unbolting it right now, and me and Andy are gonna finish up the polish. These wheels are so rough. Oh my gosh, that's not dirt. There's a rust? No clue what that is. The previous owner lived on a dirt road, so this thing is filthy underneath. Straight mud. Straight mud. It's so small. Is it muffler deleted?
Yeah, look.
No way.
Actually custom.
Yep.
Custom
Hey,
bracket
there's that
fella.
map.
Let's go! Oh,
Oh, look at that bracket too, Andy.
There we go. Now we're on a hanger,
it's a
boys.
little off center, Jordan, but hey, it'll work. Axles, check. Diff, check.
This thing's like an E36, but just shrunk.
Oh,
Everything.
the auto, love it.
Belt check.
All right, we're good.
It's there. We're good.
It's all there. This is our main focus right here. We're trying to see if the salvage yard will eventually show up with a rear quarter to fix that issue. And then this side skirt, is this metal, Jordan? I don't know. We might be able to pop that out a little. The door is kind of how it is, but we're not going to make it look perfect. We're just kind of do what we got to do, keep it low budget, but try to make it look the best we can for the money.
Weight reduction.
That's nasty.
Yeah.
Does it have air?
I mean, yeah.
I'm amazed.
That's a good few pounds out of the back of this 2,600-pound car.
1990.
Has 60, probably has like 20.
That's going in the dumpster. That's
1996 or 97 air, not sure.
Alright, so right now we're trying to go ahead and hammer out this rear quarter panel. I'm just using a deadbolt hammer, something kind of flat. As you can see, I gave it a few good taps down here. I'm trying to get it more flat than it is now. It definitely is better. A few more taps, hopefully we can get this big crease out along this edge. And it'll look a little bit better. We still have some work to do on the side skirt. We might have to take that off tomorrow and work on that a little bit. We're trying to get it as good as we can without doing like major body work. Alrighty, so we got the Z3 all dialed in last night. We did some cleaning up on it. Time for the walk around of this car. First off, we got the dent pretty much pulled out. So if we walk around to this side, this guy ended up hitting a deer, and then when he hit the deer, he went into a ditch and hit like a pole or something. So we ended up pulling this out last night. Me and Jordan worked hard on it. It's not great, but it's better than it was before. This is a beater. So this is a 1996 BMW Z3. It is the 1.9 liter 4-cylinder, which is not optimal, but we paid $850 for this car, and it is a clean title, has 223,000 miles on her. That is nearly moon miles. If you didn't know it, the moon is 225,000, so 2,000 more miles, she's at the moon. Coming around the front, you see the notorious deer dent. This is where the guy hit the deer. Honestly, it held up very well for what it was. Not terrible damage, but it is there. That is why it's so cheap. He said he paid $2,500 for the car not that long ago, and so he hit the deer and we got it for $850. So looking under the hood of the Z3, there isn't much there as far as looks goes. We have not detailed the engine bay yet, but 1.9 liter of Fury, the 318 motor is what that is. Doesn't make much power, like 138 horsepower, but the car only weighs 2,600 and some change as far as weight goes. So I've looked over everything on the engine bay. Only thing that's wrong is it's leaking a little bit of oil out of the valve cover, which isn't too bad. Everything else looks like it's very well maintained. The belts are brand new. Everything's good as far as that goes. Another downside, it is the automatic. So we prefer manual because you can have more fun with it, but automatic is what she is, and we're making the most of it. But auto's good. Everything shifts well, honestly. It's not too bad as far as the automatic goes. This thing is slow, but it's fun, and we have a plan. The interior of this car for 223,000 miles isn't too bad. The seats are a little cracked. Everything else is fine. Everything works. Heat works. Haven't tried the AC. Has a new little radio in there. He's got some floor mats, and other than that, this thing's bone stock. Door panels are still there. Speakers work, which is really nice. He did replace the soft top, so the soft top is fairly new. Which to latch the soft top, you literally just throw it down, one latch on one side, one latch on the other side, and she's good to go. This side of the car is its good side. This is where all the pictures are going to be taken, all the thumbnails. You're going to see this side of the car. The wheels are kind of shafted, they're kind of gone, but who cares? She's a beater. We're going to send her off in a blaze of glory. Hopefully she holds up. There's no damage on the rear end. This car is such a funny looking car. You feel like you're in a little submarine when you're in this thing, just buzzing down the road, hoping not to get sideswiped by anything, because if you do, you're kind of gone. He does have a muffler delete on this car, which sounds pretty cool. So that is going to conclude the walk around of the Z3. We got some plans for this car as far as some fun video ideas. This car is pretty much just for fun. Let me know in the comments what you want to see done to the Z3. We're not going to put hardly any money in it. We're just going to have all the fun in the world, send this thing off. Also, don't forget, hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Stay tuned for more videos of the Z3 coming at you. I'll catch you guys in the next video.